Yeah. Oh, I forgot my ice cream scoop.
What? Say, Daddy. You forgot ice cream scooper. You don't have cream.
Oh yeah, because we're not making ice cream. We're making ice cream sundae.
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
Rae.
What's your name?
Rae.
What's your name?
Rae.
That's right, and you're watching Ryan and Rae make ice cream, and today is Sunday. That means for us, it is Treat Yo Self Sunday. Can you say treat yourself?
Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
That's right, and Treat Yourself Sunday means that we are going to make sundaes with whatever you want. Sundaes with whatever you want to put on it. So we're gonna do a really quick episode. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Say, let's go.
Let's go.
Cool. So for Treat Yourself Sunday, say Treat Yourself Sunday.
Treat yourself Sunday.
That's right. We have 2 ice creams to choose from, and the best part of Treat Yourself is you get to decide whatever kind of ice cream you want. In this, we have cookie dough ice cream, which you may have saw a couple episodes ago.
I'll have some this.
We also have Lucky Charms ice cream. That's right. So Rae, for Treat Yourself Sunday, you want...
This.
All right, cool. Rae definitely wants Lucky Charms ice cream.
Yeah, I'll this one first and then.
So you want both? Okay. Oh, doesn't need my help. And I think I'm gonna take a page from Rae and do both because treat yourself.
I need to do this one too.
Oh, okay. You want some help?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We'll do just a little bit of cookie dough, a little bit of Lucky Charms.
I'm going to
Okay, well, I already did yours. Perfect. I think we're good. So we have our ice cream base right here. Let's put these to the side. Oh, should probably clean that up. Oh.
I eat it.
Yeah. Now that we have our ice cream right in here,
And then
for treat Yourself Sunday,
I need
rules don't apply. So
I need this one.
you want to do that one first? All right, cool. So Ray's gonna go with the black sugar first. Rae made a huge mess last time we did the black sugar, so we'll see. Are we gonna make less of a mess this time?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, just be very careful though. Just a little bit. All right. All right, so that's good. You got
I want this one now.
cool. So we got all of our black sugar right there. Ray's going to do that one next. While I'm going to use some of the gold sprinkles.
And then I want this one too.
You want that one too? Okay. Okay. Oh.
Then this one.
Okay. So I'll put some gold sprinkles on mine. Ray's gonna use the whole spice raspberry and white chocolate sugar. Put that on top. Ooh, that's pretty good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then this one.
Daddy might do the same. All right, we're gonna be going for all the sugar, huh? All right. Oh, Ray's gonna put mine on too. Cool. Thank you much. Next up, Rae, you wanna put any of these in?
Yeah.
Which
I
one?
want this one.
Want those? Treat yourself. While Ray's doing that, I'm actually going to take the caramel sauce.
Then I want some too.
Okay, so we have maple honey caramel sauce from Stonewall Kitchen. Shout out. I'm gonna put just a little bit on top.
I want some too.
You want some too? Okay. Not gonna be the prettiest thing, but it's gonna be very tasty. Oh. Whoa. That's yummy. Here, I'll do it just a little bit on yours.
Wow.
There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Which color sprinkles do you want?
This one.
All right, cool. While you do those, I think I'm gonna put some marshmallows on mine.
And then I want some marshmallows too.
Okay.
No, I'm going to do this one.
You want those?
Yeah, and then you do this one, I do this one.
Okay.
And then
All right. You want any more of these? Okay, which one? That one? Treat yourself.
treat yourself.
You want me to open them for you?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna.
Let me break these up for you.
I'm the one.
Just one?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'll take the other.
No, I'm taking and then I can right here.
Okay. I'll put these just like that.
I press them on the I eat one.
Oh, good job. I think we've done just about everything.
No, these ones.
Oh, you want the orange sprinkles?
Yeah.
Okay. Just be very careful with those. Okay. Oh. Perfect. Oops, the daisy.
And then
Rays, if you can see. Anything else?
Yeah.
What?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? Okay. Say treat yourself.
Treat yourself. No, I need the one more candy and then you do chocolate.
One more candy? All right.
I want.
We'll have M&Ms.
Yeah. Okay. Man.
Okay.
I'll do one and then I put rest in there.
All right. Whoa. There we go. Can I take some?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I put the rest in there.
All right, cool. And then otherwise, I think we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I got one last thing to put on. A little powdered sugar.
And then this one.
Which one?
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate too. Can't forget about chocolate. That's good. This is gonna be fun to clean up.
And chocolate.
And chocolate?
Yeah.
Top it off?
Yeah.
Cool. This one's kind of heavy, so you mind if I hold it? Okay. There we go. Nice. And I'll just put a little bit on mine too. All right. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself. Now we all done.
Now we're all done. So there we have it. There's Treat Yourself Sundae.
Then you want to
Oh, those. We're not done, I guess.
go.
Perfect. Thank you. Here, I'll take a little bit of pink too.
Here you go. Okay.
Should green be the last one we do? I think we have enough.
Yeah.
We made a little bit of a mess, but that's okay because on Treat Yourself Sunday, it's all about treating yourself. So we're gonna go eat these. Well, I'm gonna eat these. I don't know how much she's gonna eat, but that's okay because we had so much fun. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely check it out. Definitely subscribe. We truly appreciate it. So, Rae, you need a spoon? All right, cool. We'll get one. Rae, is there anything you want to say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys.